Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how you can download and install the Feather client for Minecraft step by step. If this video does help you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. Firstly, if you have Minecraft running, you're going to want to go ahead and close it, and yes, this does include the launcher. Next, go ahead and open up a browser of your choice. It doesn't matter which one you do. And search for Feather Client Minecraft just like so. You're going to want to go to this page right here that is feathermc.com, and it should look something like this. Once you're on the site, go ahead and hit the download button for whatever operating system you have. I'm going to choose Windows because that's what I'm on, and it's going to automatically start downloading. And that's going to be either in your downloads folder or it's just going to be up here. You just want to go ahead and open it just like so, and it should start installing for you. It's going to go ahead and launch right away once it does finish installing. And what you're going to want to do is actually click on this little guest user thing up at the top. Go ahead and click on it and choose your Microsoft account and go ahead and get loaded in. Once logged in, your profile is going to appear and you're going to have a little icon up here for whatever skin your character is currently using. Now from here, you can go ahead and select whatever Minecraft version you would like. I can go ahead and change it to 1.21.5. Unfortunately, 1.21.6 isn't on there yet. You can also browse mods, skins, and adjust specific settings like how much RAM you want Minecraft to use. Whenever you're ready, all you got to do is go to this play section and launch the game. But that's it. You now have Feather Client up and running. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Minecraft guides. Thank you so much for watching.